Thank you.
Yep, have fun, guys.
All right. I think we're gonna warm up on Ripple, just kind of, you know, get in the groove. Let's see if there's anything I can double here. There we go. Oh, I'm so light that I don't roll very fast. I gotta pedal a lot to keep my speed. Whoa. Yo! That's a brand new trail down there that just opened not too long ago. Once you run the line through here, it's really fast. Yeah, that was a really fun run. The Boulevard. Let's see what this is all about. Blue Mountain's very rocky. A lot of gravelly type stuff. That trail over there to the right is called Skytop. Looks pretty fun. And that leads you into miles of smiles, which is gonna be awesome. It's gonna take a little bit to get used to, but so far it's been holding pretty good. I don't want to jinx myself, but man, whoa. We got a little bit of dirt road right here. And into the Boulevard. Tighten my cleat. Never mind, I guess not. Oh, jeez. Yeah, double that next time, jeez. I'm using the Hero 11, so I got a speedometer too. Come on. Oh, it tastes it real bad. That's a nice berm. Smooth. Oh, so loose. Little double. Solid. Oh, these berms. Saw these from the lift. Oh, I missed that. Dang it. Next time, dude. There we go. Little drop here. I think they rebuilt these drops. They're pretty solid. Super loose. And super sketchy, but for the most part it holds. There we go. Ah, taste it. Yeah. Not bad. Oh, my fingers hurt. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna do our first jump line of the day. We're doing upper King Tut. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, I don't trust these turns. Oh, ah. I want to carry speed through them, but I just don't trust it. Alright, here we go. Upper King Tut. Little double. There we go. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Oh, Lord, that is loose. Oh, what? How do you take these? Ooh. Super loose. Sweet. Ooh, that didn't sound good. I don't know what that was. Oh. The Boulevard. This is a jump line. That's going to be interesting. Ooh, steep. Oh, this thing. This one's notoriously not trail speed, so I'm gonna go extra slow the first time. Feel it out. Alright, a little faster than that. A little faster. Ah, dang it. Alright, got that one. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, there we go. That's flying. Yeah. Good stuff, Blue Mountain. That is really nice. Not too bad. That was fun. Alright, we gotta look for TBD somewhere up here. Here we go, TBD. There we go. Wild Turkey. Whoa! Bet that tree's playing some lives. Whoa! Oh, that's sweet. This guy in front of you is ripping. Oh, that didn't sound good. Yeah, it's so fun. Ooh, high line. That was sketchy. That's fun. Alright, we're gonna do Skytop, El Camino, Lower King Tut, Loose Cannon, and I guess roller coaster at the bottom of that? I don't know. I don't know where that dumps you out. Oh, that's big. Ooh, what is that? I want to look at that first. Oh, it's actually not too bad. I think I can do that next time. I want to look at this too. Also not bad. Oh, peace. Step up. There we go. These trails are really fun now. I took some air out of my foot. It should be working a little better. It's so loose. part's really fun. Whoa, Dusty. That was a cool train with those guys. Alright, we're gonna go down here to Gravy Train, which is a new jump line. Gravy Train, that's it. Bottom section is like pretty loamy though. That's nice. Need a little more speed for that. Damn, he's got to know the lines. Fast. Ah, pretty sweet. That's a great run. Good stuff, Blue. Good stuff. Alright, we're gonna head up to the top and do our first black trail today. I think we're gonna do Miles of Smiles. Got a couple cool drops on it, some wooden stuff. Should be fun. Alright, Miles of Smiles. Let's see what this is all about. First we gotta take Skytop to get to it, but I think this one's gonna be pretty fun. Take it easy for free ride. Being responsible. Oh, that's steep. Damn, my brain is not having fun today. It's gotten back from so many rocks. There we go. Whoa, tight burn. Coming. I'm sure it doesn't show up on camera, but yeah, this is steep and very, very loose. Might be. Alright, I think we're gonna do formula this time. Not real sure what this is all about, but gonna find out. Hold on, I'm taking. Oh, steep. Whoa, straight down the topo line. Lordy. Oh, wow. Drop. Ew. Ah, that's a gap. Alright. Not much to that. Ooh. There's a weird berm here, yeah, that. That was pretty gnarly. Oh, that was a bad voice crack. fun. Alright, we're gonna get some lunch now. We're looking for a trail called Munchies, Dad. There we go. Alright, that was smooth. Don't mess it up now. Let's see where we're going. It's pretty. Not bad. Alright, that was pretty good lunch. I think now we're gonna go jump into some tech trails. Moto. Couldn't find any videos of this one, so I have absolutely no clue what to expect. Oh, that's not bad. Why'd I get scared on that? And here's the straight down spot. Jump. Yeah. Not too bad. Day's coming to a close here. I'm gonna try to get back down, do another run. But yeah, you get what I'm saying, you know. Can't say it, but you get the gist. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. That was a super fun day. Lots of runs. I think we got almost 15, 20 runs. I can't really do the peace sign right now because my hands are basically paralyzed, but yeah, peace out. Oh. All right, peace out.